Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to do a test order over at your Shopify store from scratch in 2024. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the steps for this actually haven't changed over the years. It's pretty much the same deal, where if you want to create a test order for your products at Shopify, you would first need to log into your Shopify account as an administrator. So as you can see, here's what my dashboard looks like. And the idea here is we would want to go to the orders tab found on the left hand side of the screen. So there's home, there's orders, there's products, there's customers, there's content, and so on and so forth. So from here, if we want to do a test order, we're actually going to create a draft one first. So let's click on orders. It should take us to this page right here. And if you guys actually have bought the paid plan for Shopify, there should be no issue. But if you want to create a test order, we would have to go here first. So go to drafts, create a draft order, and this is exactly what the test order looks like. So from here, the first box, we're going to select a product registered under our Shopify name. So let's just do a random one. So I believe I actually have, let's do this NFT real quick. We're going to add it like so. And the quantity, let's say that someone made an order for it for 10 pieces of this NFT. So we're going to receive 1.5K like so. We can set the payment to due later along with some terms that go with it. So it can be due on receipt, due on fulfillment, or you can set a fixed date for it within 7 days, 15 days, or a custom one. So that's cool. You can also have an option where you can set up automatic payment reminders for your customer, so it will remind them to pay if they were to go with the installment plan. So here we also have the option to add notes to it. So we can do mints, NFTs, or basically just add whatever we want here, and we will be adding a customer that's registered under our Shopify store. So someone who has interacted or engaged with a store in the past. So basically just follow the on-screen instructions here if you want to create a new one. So fill out the details pertaining to their first name, last name, language, email, whether they accept email marketing or customers say tax exempt, their country of origin, company, so on and so forth, and save customer. Once that's done, we're going to set the market price for this. Select a currency, so this is the only one I have, and add tags to it. And once that's done, we're going to click on create order, and that'll be our test order as a finished result. And that's honestly all there is to it. From here on out, hit save, and you guys are done. So yeah, that's how you guys create a test order over at Shopify from scratch. So hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you all for watching the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.